Welcome to PK Woodworking. Today, I'm going to install the infeed and the outfeed tables that I ordered Black Friday 6 months ago, but the shipping was so expensive that I waited for it to get delivered with something else. So it's here now, and I'm super scared to drill holes into my joiner planer combo, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna just lower this down. This isn't gonna be a lot of talking or whatever during it. I'm just gonna fast forward through it, and then when we're done, I'll give you a little update. Okay, so I used the punch to center. So let's see how this goes. Now, one of the really cool things about how SCM did this is that they give you a template, I guess one for each side, which is kind of crazy to begin with. But it fits exactly in between the lips on it so that you cannot kind of get it in the wrong spot. I taped it, I clamped it, hopefully it comes out good. Well, that sucks. Okay, so according to how this works, these are supposed to go on first. these two bolts go through this and into that. And they go in from this direction. So how this works, I have zero idea, and the instructions are kind of hard to read. So I think I'm gonna need to hold it up somehow to get it up high enough. All right, let's see if this thing's high enough. Oh boy. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Now let's see how accurate I was. Dang! Pretty accurate, I guess. Based on the drawings, I think what they want you to do is they want you to tighten that down, and then there's also bolts on the back side. 13 here. Okay. So now, kind of gets pushed down, and then there's screws that you jack it up with and level it off with. So I did that wrong. So they warn you ahead of time to get these way closer, and I probably should have said 10 millimeters. So let me get a tape measure. Yeah, that's about 10. And that's about 15. That's about 10. Okay. So now yeah, about that. There are grub screws to level it out. I need to make sure I don't have any of them up. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, well, one down, one to go. Whew, that's a thing.
Yeah, I'm so excited for the little. See? Makes it wood better.
As you may be able to tell, couldn't be any happier with how that turned out. Now, gotta do the same thing again. Hang on. As you can see, that thing just barely fits like that. Where'd my clamp go? There it is. All right. Nice. So that makes, God, how many times can I kick the thing in one day? So that makes for a 74.5 inch bed, or in the millimeters. A 1900 millimeter bed. So we almost, we have a little over a 6-foot bed for the planer now. So that is really nice. So now the questions come. Did it need a 6-foot bed? No, but it's got one now. Could I pass it up? No, it was a Black Friday deal. I mean, how do you pass up a Black Friday deal? So anyways, we're done. Thanks for watching.